Welcome to your place inside and out. Once again, we're here in Fenton, Michigan on the beautiful Lake Fenton at our sister's house. Perhaps you're not thinking about moving anytime soon, but would rather do a remodel instead. Some remodeling projects add more value than others.
Yes, updating a kitchen, remodeling a bathroom, removing wallpaper can all change value.
And in our last show, we talked about the pros and cons of wallpaper. Removing wallpaper can be easy with patience and the right tools. However, in this case, we found some mold behind the wallpaper, which can be a cause for concern. So we don't recommend adding wallpaper to your home. It may decrease the value of your home.
Yes, I always recommend a fresh coat of paint. In fact, I tell clients paint can be $20 in the can and $1,000 on the wall. And as styles and trends change, you can always repaint.
And I can assure you with 100% certainty that styles and trends are going to change. So today, we're going to remodel an outdated bathroom.
Come on, Jennifer, let's go to the bathroom together.
John, I'm not going to go to the bathroom with my brother. You're on your own.
All right, fair enough. Well, improving your bathroom can increase the value of your home, and we've enlisted the help of an expert. And here we are with Biagio with World Classic Tile in my sister's bathroom, and there's a lot of work to be done here, total updating. Biagio, what are some of the recommendations that you've given her that needs to be done to this bathroom?
Well, what we're going to do is we're going to remove the acrylic or plastic shower here. We're going to put James Hardy board as a backing for the tile. We're going to do a shower pan, a dry pack system, and then we're going to concentrate on the floor. We're going to redo this whole floor. We'll eventually remove all of this, counter and countertops, and the faucet, the mirrors, and the lighting will all come out.
What kind of substance do you recommend for the countertop?
Well, the countertop, it's either a quartz I recommend or a granite. I wouldn't recommend marble because it is very delicate stone.
Okay.
Right?
Makes sense.
And toothpaste, mouthwash, ladies' makeup will etch the finish on the stone.
And will this be less shiny?
Yep, less shiny, and it'll just dull, and then there'll be some pit marks.
And you recommend for the floor a tile, a stone. What are your thoughts?
Well, it all depends on the client. So what I usually do is I try to find out what the client likes, whether it's a natural stone or it's a ceramic tile like this one that your sister picked up.
Very good. And something like that costs how much?
About $2.50.
Very good. And do you recommend a size for a floor?
Well, size really doesn't matter.
Okay.
It all depends on what the client wants. Whether she or he wants a 12x24, 20x20, 24 by 20, it really doesn't matter.
And you mentioned natural stone or tile. What are the differences between like a natural stone and a tile?
Well, I usually try to tell the client to stay with a natural stone and stay in the earth tone colors, because earth tone colors never
stay lighter. Lighter's better.
Exactly. The other reason is this tile here eventually, maybe 4 years from now, will be discontinued. Trying to match the same dialite if you're doing a repair will never match. Where a natural stone, 10 years, 20 years, you pull it out of the mountain, it's either lighter or darker.
Now, is a natural stone thicker?
Yes, a little bit thicker than this.
And it's a solid all the way through,
yes,
so you can't chip it?
It's solid all the way through.
Okay. Can't break if it, well, I guess it could break, but
well,
if it breaks, it's all the way through.
If you get a chip, it's all the way through. The other thing with natural stone is you can use an epoxy filler and a color additive, so it can blend in.
Oh, so it can't be repaired without pulling the whole tile.
You can't repair this. You got to replace this.
You got to pull that out.
You got to pull it out. And if the client doesn't have one, then you're looking at another. Yes.
Makes sense. At least when it comes to tile, size doesn't matter.
Well, that's not what our furnace guy said, and it's not what all my girlfriends say. Just as important for customers to pick out quality materials as it is timeless materials. We don't want you to remodel your bathroom and then 5 years later it's out of date. That's why bathrooms are one of the most profitable remodeling projects, because they don't change that much over time.
Another popular investment can be the use of a mudroom or entryway that your family uses on a daily basis.
Well, the foyer, or as you call it, John, the mudroom, is serviced in this home through both the garage and the front door, so it's a really important area and gets a lot of traffic. Back in the 80s, you used to have bifold doors, a hang rod, and hangers. Well, we're gonna gut this closet and make it functional.
So join us next week as we make this space into efficient and modern use.